In this video, we will implement user can publish unpublish the article by using switch control. So let's begin. Now we will implement user can change the status of article. User can publish and unpublish the article. I will change the name of table heading status to publish. For publish, we will use switch control. In this project, we are using Bootstrap. In a new tab, search Bootstrap and click on first link. Click on get started and search switch, and it will show the switch example. Here you can see, copy this code and paste here in the place of status. Copy this property article.status and bind this property with checkbox checked property like this, and remove this label. We don't need this label. Add an event to checkbox. I will add change event, assign a function name and pass article object. Copy this function name. In a TS file, we will create this function. In this function, we will change the status value. We will toggle the status value. Article.status. I will add type article.status and I will use not operator. So this will toggle the article status. So when article status is published and user click on switch button, it will unpublish the article. And I will use console.log to check is it working. Save the changes. And you can see we have a switch buttons. Open console tab and we know publish status is false when I click and it will set true, and you can see when I click again and it will set to false. Before change the status, we will show pop-up like confirmation. We added this type of confirmation pop-up in our delete operation. So I will copy confirmation pop-up code from delete function. When user click on a switch button, we will show pop-up and we will ask, do you want to publish this article or do you want to unpublish this article? I will add condition on a confirmation message. When article.status is true, we will show, do you want to publish? Else we will show, do you want to unpublish? If anything new to you, please watch my previous videos. In a previous video, I implemented this model pop-up. When we receive true value from pop-up, we will send API call to server. We will call method update article and we will pass article ID, article.title and article.body, and this time we will pass status. And last thing, we need user ID. In a subscribe function, we show the toaster message and we will show different message. So when user publish, we will show article published message. So I will add a condition article.status. So when article.status is true, I will show article published, else I will show article unpublished. This if else called ternary condition, or second name is inline if else. And here we don't need this call. So I will remove this, save the changes and we will test. Click on switch button and pop-up visible. Click on no, status didn't change. We didn't handle this case. So when user click on no button, we will revert the status. Now I will add else part of this if condition. In else part, again I will toggle the status, article.status, not operator, article.status. It will revert the status again. Save the changes and we will test. Click on the switch button and click on no. It reverted the status and it's working fine. Now click on yes and you can see article published. If I click on refresh, you can see it's working. I can publish and unpublish the article. Thank you for watching.